my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent. Oh, I think you're truly something special, just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around. Oh, baby, I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I am so into you. Really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I am so into you. You hold me. Could be the things that you say. I'm not sure what it is, boy, but I know I like feeling this way. I know you're something special. Just what my dreams are made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around. Oh, baby, I really like what you've done to me. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I am so into you. Oh, babe, I'm so into you. Don't tell me.
Oi, thank you. Thank you so much for all the streaming. Because it's so nice, and I'm so grateful for everyone that's been sending me messages about all the covers that I've been putting up to. If you are free on the 14th of August, which I know you are because everyone is right now, I'm doing a live show that's being streamed. Find all the info on all of my social media, my Facebook, my Instagram. I'll be posting all of it. It's called Live in Your Lounge, and I'm going to be live in your lounge. Also, that's in Canberra. If you're in Canberra, you can buy tickets. There's only 50 tickets because of Rona. We'd love to see you there, so please, please, please get in while you can. Get in while you can. It's a brand new show. I've got lots of dancers and a lot of special guests, and I'm so excited. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.